Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial. Today we're going to show you how you activate the B2 Suite version 2 software with the license key. When the application is ready again, then we open the Owner tab. We then get the information that no local license is installed, only the Office mode is available. We then open the tab Change License. Please have the license code ready which you received when you purchased the paid software package and enter it correctly in the field. After that you can activate your license. You will then get the information that the application will shut down and you have to restart it. When the application is ready again, follow the first steps from the video and check if the license key is now shown in the Owner section.
Thank you for watching this video. If you would like more information about B2 and our products, please visit our website. And if you have any technical queries about your B2 device, please contact our technical support at support@b2hv.com.